Hey besties, today I wanted to unbox my Boxycharm. So this box that I got is actually for October. I know it's November already, but shh, we're still gonna unbox her. So I guess let's open her up. Alright, so this is all the stuff that I got and let's try it on. Alright, so I got these exfoliating pads. So this right here is supposed to help me unclog my pores and, like I said, remove all the dead skin and exfoliate everything. So it comes with a little plastic. Let me take that off real quick. I literally use my teeth for everything, so don't mind that. Oh yeah, I'm still wearing a little filter, so let me remove that real quick. Ooh, I look pale. Okay, so these are the pads, and what I usually do with these, just kind of swirl it all over your face. Ooh, that's a nice smell. I really like these so far, but of course I'm gonna have to try them out a little bit more and I'll update you guys in another video next time. Okay, so the next item is this Hydro Plumping Peptide Serum. Okay, so this is how it looks out of the packaging, and honestly, I'm not really sure what peptides do. I just know they kind of just, I guess, nourish your skin, and they're just really good. Ooh, it's kind of slimy. And I'm just gonna massage this all over my skin. Oh, I was applying this to my face and I was like, why does it smell like seaweed? But it's actually seaweed peptide with hyaluronic acid. That explains it. So if you don't like the smell of seaweed, I don't know if you're gonna like this because it does have a very strong scent. Alright, next I have this Dewy Collagen primer. This is how she looks. I'm just gonna... Ooh, it smells like bananas. I really like the scent of this. Alright, next we got the Ciate London eyeshadow palette. This is so pretty. Oh, you can see my phone. But yes, we're gonna put this on. Ooh, this eyeshadow palette feels like butter. Okay, next I'm gonna dab into this darker shade. This is so pretty. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with this burgundy shimmer color. Oh wow, this is so stunning. And then the last item that I got in my October Boxycharm is the setting spray. Alright, let's put her on. I really like this, but it's kind of hard to press. Alright, besties, this is the final result. So cute.